Hey there guys, you have me trying to play Neon Boost. Yeah. Wait, that's actually pretty cool. The laser city to the factory. You know what, I'm just gonna go pick the first. Oh, that actually looks pretty cool. Yeah, this looks yo, that's right. Welcome to Laser City. Whoa. Well, these controls are a bit janky. Shoot LMB. Control? Oh wait, no, hold on. Control, no, that's shift. Okay. Where's my control button? Okay. Control! Ah! Fire! Oh, okay. Yeah, boss battle to unlock the next level, okay. Shift! Whee! Ooh! I got silver. Wait, I can still shoot. I need to go. Ouch. Wait, what? What did that say? Wait, is it actually... Hold on, does the LMD button actually do something? It says hold LMB? So... Wait, this is my LMB button. LMB... Oh wait, I just realized. The LMB literally means left mouse button. Told me to do like... I don't get it. I need to think here. Oh. Have to hold control. Shoot to your feet. Like that. Oh! Like Team Fortress. Like a soldier. Whee! Yep, it's definitely like soldier. Oh, sorry, P to rank mate. Jump! Wait, no, I have to rocket jump! Man, rocket jumping is hard. Kapow! Wait, no! Oh wait, I was supposed to land there, wasn't I? Okay, fine. I'm stuck. Oh, I just got bronze? Okay, I guess that makes sense. Jump to walls, space, okay. Okay, jump. Jump in. Jump. Wait, can I do a rocket jump? Okay. I did not live here, did I? Nope, I need a rocket jump. Seriously, need to start big QS too. No, what? Not too far. Wait, no, wait, I don't think I think I went a bit too high. So, that means I just have to go here. Buy that. Rocket. No, maybe not. Oh! Wait, what? It said shoot to wall. Oh! You can also do a rocket jump on the wall. No, wait, I forgot a rocket jump. 16-second response. This time is actually specifically aimed down. Controls are a bit janky. What? Oh. So I go here, fire, aim down, shoot, aim here, shoot, fire. Oh wow, I can't even do that. Okay, I'm pretty sure I was actually meant to land on this time. Go, jump, go, 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 go. Wait, where am I supposed to go? Wait, what? Oh, I see that. What? What? I missed. Gosh dang it. I got so close to the end and yeah, I didn't know about where to go. Wait, maybe I can shoot from here. Oh, what the heck? No, 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 no! Oh. Yeah, this game comes on video. Just stuck on this level. But this game is actually pretty good. Whee. Oh wait, no, hold on, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna, oh. Okay. 15. Go. What am I going to do here? I'm gonna have to go here. Wait, hold on. Can I do this? Oh. Oh no. Rocket-junp! I'm done. So I go here and aim down. Control. Ah. 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 Oh. I'm gonna try to do this again. This time. Wait, I can do that? Hold on. So if I can actually go across the spikes. Oops. Oh. Here. If I even shoot the side and yet I'm able to rocket jump. I just realized this, but apparently the gun. Go with the sound. Wait, apparently I just found this out, but apparently the gun is the one that makes the sound. Also, I don't know how, but I don't know how my friends never noticed this, but look at the sound of the gun. Yeah, you can see the speed. Control. Jump. Rocket jump. Too early. Rocket jump. Uh-oh. Rocket. Oh wait, I can do that. Rocket jump. Oh. I'm pretty sure what makes this game so fun is that it's hard. Wait! No, wait, I missed the jump button! I think I just broke my W button. I have to go jump a bit earlier? jump. Yes! I didn't die. For once. Oh. There's a lot of walls. Oh wait, I was have to rocket jump? Wait, what? What is that? God, are you kidding me? Yep, I'm gonna have to jump on the sides. Whoa. That is, no! Wait! How do I shoot them from up here first? Bro, are you serious? Are you? Dang it. How did I do it last time? Like I did that rocket jump. Oh, like that. Oh.